Dasha Taran. I love you, Dasha Taran. I want to be with you. I will never stop loving you, Dasha Taran. I promise I will go to South Korea to meet you. I want to be with you, Dasha Taran. I'm seriously in love with you, Dasha Taran. I will upload this video in YouTube and to know that whole world that you're the girl I'm in love with, Dasha Taran. I love you. I want to be with you, Dasha Taran. Maybe in March I will have a job. I will find a work in March. For now, just wait for me, Dasha Taran. Don't lose your hope on me. I will make it happen. Together forever, Dasha Taran. I love you. You're the girl I want in my life. You're my true love. I love you, Dasha Taran. That's all I can say. I love you, Dasha Taran.